हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का निरंकारी वीडियो चैनल में स्वागत है। इस वीडियो लिंक में हम लोग मोशन इन ए प्लेन के अंतर्गत हम लोग वेक्टर एडिशन की प्रॉपर्टी देख रहे थे। इस वीडियो लिंक में हम लोग देखेंगे इज द फ्लाइट ऑफ बर्ड एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कंपोजिशन ऑफ वेक्टर। इज द फ्लाइंग ऑफ ए बर्ड, क्वेश्चन is the flying of a bird is an example of composition of vectors. Composition of vectors. चिड़िया का उड़ना क्या वेक्टर एडिशन का रूल फॉलो करता है? When a bird flies, it strikes its wings. It strikes its wings with air along the direction W1O. Along the direction W1O and W2O and W2O and W2O. As a result, the air exert forces of reaction. As a result, air exerts force of reaction R1 and R2 along OA and OR in accordance with parallelogram. In accordance with parallelogram law, the resultant force R. The resultant force R helps the fly the bird upward. Helps the bird fly upwards. This is a bird and its wings direction W1 and W2. It exerts force at F1 and F2. This vector and this vector. This is the vector. This is the vector R2, and force exerted in this direction R gives the parallelogram. Now we will describe about analytical method of vector addition. Analytical method of vector addition. Let two vectors A and B is represented. Let two vectors A and B represented both in magnitude and direction by the sides OP and PQ. By the sides OP vector and PQ vector of triangle OPQ. Taken in the same order. Then according to law of addition of triangle, the resultant R is given by resultant R is given by closing side OQ. Taken in the reverse order. Here, this is OP vector, A vector, and this is PQ vector, B vector, and this is resultant vector R is A vector plus B vector, and here theta is the angle between A vector and B vector. We increase this direction and take perpendicular at point N. This is a beta angle and this is a theta angle. Magnitude of resultant R. Magnitude of resultant R. From Q, draw Q1 perpendicular. Draw QN perpendicular to OP produced then angle QPN equal theta. OP equal to A vector and PQ equal to B vector. PQ equal to B vector and OQ equal to R vector. From right angle triangle QPN, from right angle QPN, we have QN upon PN equal to sin theta. QN upon PN equal sin theta and PN upon QN equal to cos theta. Then QN equal to PN sin theta and PN equal to QN cos theta. Means PQ B sin QN upon PQ है QN upon PQ and PN upon PQ QN PQ sin थीटा और यह हो गया PQ cos थीटा. Means QN equal to B sin theta and PN equal to B cos theta. Using Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ONQ we get OQ square equal to ON square plus QN square ON square plus QN square, OP plus PN का होल स्क्वायर, OQ स्क्वायर इक्वल टू OP प्लस PN का होल स्क्वायर प्लस QN का स्क्वायर, QN का स्क्वायर। इट मीन्स OQ स्क्वायर, OP स्क्वायर प्लस PN स्क्वायर प्लस 2 OP इंटू PN प्लस QN का होल स्क्वायर। OQ स्क्वायर इक्वल टू OP वेक्टर इक्वल टू A वेक्टर, A स्क्वायर प्लस PN स्क्वायर, यह हो गया B स्क्वायर कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस A प्लस B कॉस थीटा का होल स्क्वायर प्लस B साइन थीटा का होल स्क्वायर। OQ स्क्वायर इक्वल टू A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 2AB कॉस थीटा प्लस B स्क्वायर साइन स्क्वायर थीटा। OQ स्क्वायर इक्वल टू A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस B स्क्वायर साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 2AB cos theta. Here OQ square becomes A square plus B square cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2AB cos theta means OQ square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Then OQ vector equal to under root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Now we will see resultant of direction of resultant are direction of resultant are. Let resultant R make an angle beta with let resultant R make and angle beta with OP vector R A vector, then tan beta equal to tan beta equal to Qn upon On, Qn upon On, and it becomes Qn upon OP plus Pn, Qn upon OP plus Pn, and Qn equal to B sin theta, B sin theta plus A plus B cos theta. Then beta equal tan inverse B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta. Now we will see analytical treatment of the parallelogram of analytical treatment of the parallelogram, law of vector addition, law of vector addition. Let the two vectors A and B let the two vectors A and B inclined to each other at an angle theta be represented both in magnitude and direction by the adjacent sides OP and OQ of the parallelogram. Then according to parallelogram of according to law of vectors of parallelogram, addition, the resultant of A and B, the resultant of A vector and B vector is represented both in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of parallelogram. यदि दो वेक्टर ए और बी लिए जाए जो एक दूसरे से थीटा एंगल पे झुके हो और ये दोनों वेक्टर पैरेललोग्राम यानी समांतर चतुर्भुज की दो संलग्न भुजाओं को दिखाएं तो इनका परिणामी वेक्टर जो है पैरेललोग्राम के विकर्ण भुजा के द्वारा दिखाया जाएगा। जैसे फिगर दिया, ये आपका ओपी वेक्टर ए वेक्टर है और दूसरी वेक्टर ओक्यू है, ये बी वेक्टर है। तो हम क्या करते हैं, इसके पी पॉइंट से बी वेक्टर के पैरेलल एक वेक्टर खींच लेते हैं और इसका हेड हो गया। फिर बी वेक्टर के टेल्स हेड से हम ए वेक्टर के पैरेलल एक वेक्टर खींच लेते हैं। इसके बाद रिजल्टेंट ए वेक्टर के टेल से जो दूसरा बी वेक्टर का टेल हेड खींचा गया उसको मिला देते हैं, ये आर हो गया और ये हो गया ए वेक्टर प्लस बी वेक्टर। बाय द पैरेललोग्राम addition of vectors we will find out the magnitude of resultant r. Magnitude of resultant r. draw SN perpendicular, draw SN perpendicular to OP produced, to OP produced. Then angle SPN, then angle SPN equal to theta, OP equal to A vector, PS equal to OQ, PS equal to OQ equal to B vector. From right angled triangle, from right angled triangle SNP, SN upon PS equal to sin theta, SN upon PS equal to sin theta. Then SN equal to SN upon PS equal to sin theta. Then SN equal to PS SN upon PS equal to sin theta. Then SN equal to PS sin theta or B sin theta, and PN upon PS equal to cos theta. Then PN equal to PS cos theta, PN equal to B cos theta. Using Pythagoras theorem theorem in right angled triangle SPN, OS का स्क्वायर इक्वल ON का स्क्वायर प्लस SN का स्क्वायर, and ON equal to OP plus PN का होल स्क्वायर प्लस SN का होल स्क्वायर. It becomes OP. A plus PN equal to PS cos थीटा, तो PS हो गया B, यह हो गया B cos थीटा का होल स्क्वायर और प्लस SN. SN equal to B sin theta, B sin theta का होल स्क्वायर a square plus b square cos square theta plus b square plus 2ab cos theta plus b square sin square theta. Then it becomes a square plus b square cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2ab cos theta. It becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. The resultant vector r becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. We will find out resultant direction of resultant r. Direction of resultant r. Direction of resultant r. Let the resultant r make angle beta. Let the resultant r make the angle beta with a vector. Then tan beta equal to Sn plus upon On. Sn upon On, that is b sin theta plus a plus b cos theta, and beta becomes tan inverse b sin theta upon a plus b cos theta. Now we will see resolution of a vector. Resolution of a vector. Resolution of a vector, it is the process of splitting a vector. It is the process of splitting a vector into two or more vector, into two or more vectors in such a way that their combined effect is same. Their combined effect is same as that of the given vector. As that of the given vector, the vector into which the vector is splitted, the vectors into which the given vector is splitted are called component vectors, are called component vectors. A component of a vector in any direction, a component of vector in any direction gives a measure of the effect of given vector, effect of given vector in that direction, The resolution of vector is just opposite. The resolution of vector is just opposite to the process of vector addition. To the process of vector addition. Now we will see resolution of vector along two given direction. Heading is resolution of vector. Resolution of vector along two given direction. Two given direction. Suppose we wish to resolve a vector. Suppose we wish to resolve a vector r in the direction of two coplanar and non-parallel vector A and B. Non-parallel vector A and B. Suppose OQ, this is a vector and this is B vector. Now OP equal to lambda A vector and PQ equal to lambda B vector. Then we will draw the diagram that is a OP vector lambda times of A vector from the head of this is lambda B vector, and resultant R will be lambda A vector plus lambda A vector plus lambda of B times of vector. R equal lambda times A vector plus lambda times B vector. Thus vector R has been resolved. Vector R has been resolved. Vector R has been resolved in the direction of A, in the direction of A vector and B vector. Here lambda A is the component of, here lambda A is the component of R in the direction of A, and lambda B is the component of R in the direction of B vector. Now we will see orthogonal triad of unit vectors or base vectors, and this topic we will see in my next videos. So you are requested to wait for my next videos. Thanks.